I'm going to be making some garlic butter salmon right in my air fryer. I've got 2 salmon fillets, and I went ahead and I took the skin off. Now some of you may like the skin, but my husband and I don't. And then I melted 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. And if you're following along, go ahead and grab the garlic, and we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons. To add some paprika, and I'm just going to add 1/2 teaspoon. Mix that around. Pour that mixture onto the salmon. Go ahead and bathe those salmon in that garlic butter. Let me wash my hands. Now maybe you don't have an air fryer. You can do the same thing in your oven in a baking dish. But if you do have an air fryer, go ahead and pull out that pan. Leave the grate in there, that tinfoil in your air fryer. Just like that. Drop those salmon in there. And if you have any of the mixture left, pour that goodness onto those salmon. Cover that salmon with that tinfoil, put it in your air fryer, and we are going to cook this on 390 for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. This is almost finished, but while this was cooking, I went ahead and made the ranch carrots that I made before in a prior video that we're gonna have with this, so make sure you go back and watch that. Love the smell of garlic. I'm gonna bring you closer and let you see what this looks like. And it is so good, so good. Have a good evening.